Over at school with a white mouse named Adele. Hey goofball, what's with the buck teeth? They're used for biting on stuff. Well, try biting on that notepad you have. Yeah, let's leave this hideous girl, shall we? After they leave, Johnny tries to comfort Adele. Hey there, little white mouse, what's the issue? Oh, those fellas. I feel like something's just wrong with me. I don't feel like I belong anywhere. Listen, Adele. Don't take any of this to heart, okay? Me and Viridian have to deal with a bully ourselves. That being Grace. Who's arguably just as much of a bully as those guys are. Alright then, Johnny. I feel a little bit better now. And hopefully one day, I can confront those bullies for what they did to me. At the football area... Okay. Do all of you know why you're here? So we can throw balls at each other? No, the reason why you're here is because all of you are lazy as hell. So I want all of you to get exercise. That basically means doing football. Why, hello, Johnny the Cat. Ah, great, it's Eric Cartman. What do you want, Dr. Mutie? I want to capture Mr. Ball here, so I could transform into a ball monster.